Hey everybody, talk about overkill. Look at the size of this box. Holy smokies. I wonder what's in it. I think this one was professionally packed by an UPS agent. Now they don't use a lot of tape though, do they? Not a lot of tape on the top of this box. They hit this side. They forgot that side. Anyway, didn't survive, so don't worry too much about that. Nice big box. Look at all that bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. There's lots of it. Lots of it, more of it. Oh, wow. Each one of these bubble wrapped. That's a little overkill, definitely. Especially when it comes time for me to open these blister packs. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and... Wait a minute. More. 7 on the bottom. Wow, that's a lot of bubble wrap. 8. Okay, 8. All right, 9. Yes, at least 9. Yes, this is definitely an overkill situation of bubbling wraps. Bubbling wraps. Look at all this. Well, I'm set. I gotta find some stuff to sell now to pack up and all that. Let's see what we got. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there are 12. 12? How many did I expect? I don't know. Well, let's open them up. All right, phase 1 of the unwrapping of the blister packs is complete. Now, on to phase 2, and then phase 3. And, well, by the way, welcome to September 2020. We are in what? We're in like the, let's see, of our 2-week shutdown. We are April, May, June, July, August. We are like 6 months, 5 or 6 months into our 2-week shutdown. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, let's go through these blister packs one at a time. Get them out of these blister pack protectors. First one up is a blue Corvette, the blue Corvette Hong Kong. Look at that, it's not bad. It's got little spots on the top there. I think those will rub off there. The blue is real nice. The steering wheel is falling out of place, but that's pretty common on the Hong Kongs, especially in blister. Did I get it right in there? Let's see. All right, let's get that right in there. This particular pack just got some water staining up through here. But, you know, hey, 68 custom Corvette blue in the blister. Looks like it might have been tweaked a little bit. So the tire's aiming down a little bit there. But that would be a real pretty car to take out of there. But fortunately, a blister pack being a original 16 blister pack is too valuable to take that car out of there. But look at that blue with the white interior. You could put that steering wheel back in too if you had little tweezers. Get in there. Perfect wheels. Look at that. Looks like a real early one. Real nice. Real nice. All right, number 2 is a Corvette. Another Corvette. There are 2 Corvettes in this bunch. And when it comes to U.S. Corvettes, pretty much the only thing you ever see is the red. So here's a red U.S. Corvette. I've had a few. I think I have one right now in my collection. I only have one of every U.S. blisters in my collection. Getting it out of the bubble. This bubble pack has a crack here, and otherwise it's pretty darn nice. Got real shiny paint on the side here, so that's real nice. Top is real nice. That's a good looking car right in there. That is a good one. That's the heavy hitter from the collection as we see it here. Yeah, I can't really say too much bad about this one. A couple little veins and things. It's not perfect, but it's got a nice white card underneath it, which I always like. And that's a pretty car. That is a pretty car. Are we getting that in the right light? In the right light? The right light? Right light? Right there. All right. Number 2. Number 3 is a purple Ford Coupe. Now, there is a couple of purple Ford Coupes in this collection. I think the guy had like 8 of them altogether, I think. Here's one he sent me. It's got a light veining in it. It's got a nice light purple, even all over. Got maybe a little rub on the roof there, possibly just something in the package. Let's see. You know, it's just some junk in the package. A little dusty, but not too bad. It's unpunched. Good base on there. Good chrome on the front. That's a nice light purple. That's real nice. Yeah, that's real nice. That is real nice. Let's get in there a little closer. What do you think? Nice? And then they read 70 package. That's why there's so many 36 Ford Coupes. Now, you don't see all the colors too much, but there's a lot of 36 Ford Coupes because they kept making them quite a while. So put that one over there. Get another one out. I think there are, oh, there's quite a few of these actually. Here's another. Here's another one. All right, this one's a little darker. Good chrome on the base. Little bubbling in the bubble. A little bump in the bubble. Nice all over. Got one couple little nicks on the top there. Nice chrome on the front. Little wrinkle on the top there. Boy, I gotta stare at this camera. I'm not doing this right. All right, there it is. Yeah. Now there's a couple more actually. I think there's actually I got a total of 5 purple coops. 5 purple coops. Let's see. I think there'll be a keeper in there. 5 purple coops. They'll have a little bit of a rub on them. A little chrome on the bottom. All good chrome on these. That's really nice. Good chrome. This has got a nice package. And it's looking pretty good. Looking good in there. A little darker than, let's see how they are. Dark. Not quite as dark. Not quite as dark. We still have 2 more to fit into that little thing there. All right, here's another. Here's another. This one's medium dark as well. Decent chrome, not as shiny as the other 3. Little blue on the bottom, good package. Yeah, that's nice. That one I think is about like there on the color spectrum. Right about there. Right there. Right there. All right, next one up is another purple. This one in the package that is a little damaged. It's got the holes in it. It's got good chrome. I will have to check my purple coops to see if I need one. This one's got the darker rumble seats. I probably wouldn't pull this one out of a package. Still nice. Looks good in there. Looks like some of that will just lay back down if we're real careful. That package. A little bit. I guess this has come up from the bottom. It's got to go back underneath. Anyway, there's another darker one. Probably about the darkest one in the batch. So there it is, 5 purple coops. And while we're at it, how about a teal coupe? A teal coupe. All right, let's get it. Let's get it on here. Teal coupe. That's nice and bright. I like that color. Got a little nick on the top there, a little veining in it. None of the blister packs in this collection are in the perfect catalog. Perfect category, I should say, but they're all very, very nice. I mean, I've been doing this for so many years, so I get real picky, so don't hit me up on that. Don't be a hater. I love Hot Wheels in any condition. Of course, I've been doing this for over 30 years, so I like perfect ones. I really do. Look at that. That's a nice one, though. I really like that color. I don't know if I have that color or not. And there's 2 more blister packs in this lot, in this small lot. Let's see what they are. Oh, by the way, there's also a 36 Ford coupe in a baggie. I had one of these recently. Took me a while to sell it, but they're pretty cool. 36 Ford coupe in a baggie. And then here is a Nomad, a Rose Nomad in a folded over pack. Look at that. It's got the fold. I don't know how they did that exactly that direction. But look at that beautiful car. Oh, look at that rose. That is pretty in there. That's pretty in there. That's a pretty one. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. Look at that. I love that. That is so pretty. Gonna be hard to get that out of my hands. One more blister pack in this lot. Here we go. A magenta Mighty Maverick. Look at that. This one's in a nice pack. Pretty nice. Got a little fold right there. A little push back. A little that. That's just from a lot of handling over the years, but very nice. Let's take a look at that hood. Looks like it's good. Chrome on the bottom's good. There we go. Very nice. Magenta Maverick. Well, that's it. That's it for this collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blisters and this guy over here. Let me check my list. Make sure that was all that was on there. Now let's see here. Ooh, I might have overrated these a little bit on my chart here, but we'll see what happens. Ah, yes. 36 baggy Boss Chrome Mustang. Oh, there must be a Mustang in that package somewhere. Nomad and Maverick. All the blister packs are there. And thank you for joining me on this video, unwrapping blisters. I do love unwrapping blisters. And of course, if you have blister packs, and you need to sell them, want to sell them, thinking about selling them, give me a holler. I love blister packs, and I know you do too. So thanks for watching, and for your watching pleasure, I have over 450, 60, 70 different videos about Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and more. And come to my website, ToyCarCollector.com, where you'll find all kinds of cool stuff for sale. Thanks for watching. Bye now.